what are some considerations that you took into place before making the investment in the redesign? Like the length of the lease, the
Mhm.
potential for revenue, your demographics, what were your considerations?
So an obvious consideration before doing a retool or remodel would definitely be the length of your lease. I was able to get a 20-year lease, so I went ahead with the remodel. I did a redesign that would suit my customer base. My customer base was 95% Hispanic and Latinos. So Hispanic and Latinos have very large families and they do a huge volume of laundry at once. So I knew I had to create an open space where they would be able to come in and out of the store with large amounts of laundry comfortably. I also sold a ton of laundry soap and counter items, like averaging about over 12,000 a month. So I constructed a focus point retail soap island actually for my customers to let them experience the touching and the smelling of the detergents and pretty much letting them know that I could trust them with the soap being out in the open for them to purchase. I know that was really risky, but for me, I think that really increased my sales for my soap. So um, so I literally created a small community, uh, also with adding vendor booths. A lot of my Hispanic customers would take a taxi or they don't have a vehicle, so I knew that whatever I put in the store for their convenience, that they would take advantage of it, and they wouldn't have to take an extra trip out to go get something, you know. So I in my vendor booth, I had put a check cashing place. I had put like a medicine shop, and I put like a little taco stand so they could grab a bite to eat. So I know that that was really good for them. And for the most part, my main goal was just to create an open space where they can be comfortable and it could be convenient and pretty much just like a one-stop shop for them.